What's the meaning of a list? A-list. 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 A-list.
The term A-list typically refers to a group of highly recognized and influential individuals in the entertainment industry, such as actors, directors, and producers. These celebrities are considered to be at the top of their field and often have access to exclusive events and opportunities. Being on the A-list can bring significant prestige and financial rewards. The term has also been extended to other fields, such as business and politics, to refer to individuals who hold a high level of influence and status in their respective industries.